Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to learn about the biquadratic equation. How do we solve it? First we have to suppose this x square as equal to y. Now inserting the value, because it's x2 square minus 5x square plus 4 equal to 0. Inserting this value, it's y square minus 5y. Here also we will insert its value. Now it's a quadratic equation. Now we got to find that when we multiply we get 4. Adding the same two numbers we got to have it minus 5. So we can say 4 ones are 4, but if both are negative, so minus minus plus, 4 ones are 4, minus 4 and minus 1 become minus 5. 5 is company with y, so inserting y in it, replacing this with these two values. So we have y square minus 4y minus y and plus 4 equals 0, taking common, and y minus 4 is left over. Here nothing is common but minus 1. Due to this minus, both sign changes, and here now in this and this section we get y minus 4 as a common, and we got y minus 1 left over, and either this equal to 0 or this equals to 0. So finding its value, on the other side reciprocal plus 4, here same, but originally it's originated with this x square. Inserting its value, okay, y is actually representing x square. Now taking square root to get rid of this square, plus minus, so this cancel off, here this cancel off, so x equal to plus minus 2 2s are 4 and x equal to plus minus 1. So x have two answers, plus minus 2 and plus minus 1. Hope you understood the question, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and share it with your friends and family.